Welcome to Build Mystery. Today we're diving into the most cutting-edge construction technologies on the planet. From high-strength glass grids to precision laser screeds, carbon fiber reinforcements to 3D printed homes. Each innovation transforms the way we build, strengthens structures, and redefines durability. Get ready to witness machines, materials, and systems that seem almost futuristic, all in one place. Hit subscribe, smash that like button, and share this journey as the build mystery begins. This is ADFORS GLASGRID, a high-strength pavement reinforcement system engineered by Saint-Gobain ADFORS. It may look simple, but its impact is massive. Made from advanced fiberglass with extreme tensile strength, GLASGRID is placed between asphalt layers to stop cracks before they reach the surface. As traffic pounds the road, it absorbs stress, spreads the load, and converts vertical pressure into horizontal strength. Cracks slow down, pavement lasts longer, maintenance drops. From highways to airport runways, GLASGRID works silently under pressure, surviving heat, cold, and constant load without failure. You never see it, but every durable road proves one thing. This is hidden engineering at its most powerful. This is the TS6200E, a fully electric laser screed built by Top & Screed, a pioneer in industrial concrete floor technology. It's a precision concrete leveling machine that uses laser guidance and a powered boom to spread, vibrate, and flatten fresh concrete with unmatched accuracy. Designed for commercial and industrial slabs, it runs 100% on electric power, eliminating emissions and fuel logistics while delivering superflat surfaces over thousands of square meters on a single charge. 4 independently steerable wheels and advanced control software give operators fluid movement and exact control. No engine means less maintenance and silent operation, yet it still crushes output and quality standards. Roads, warehouses, factories, wherever you need flawless flat floors, this machine sets a new benchmark in speed, precision, and sustainability. This is ANDALE Roller Compacted Concrete, an industrial pavement solution from ANDALE Construction, built for strength and endurance. Roller compacted concrete blends the same core ingredients as traditional concrete, cement, water, and aggregates, into a zero-slump, high-density mix designed to be laid like asphalt and compressed with heavy rollers, eliminating forms and finishing. The result is a tough, low-maintenance surface that stands up to heavy loads, abrasive environments, and extreme conditions while cutting construction time and cost. Placed quickly in continuous layers and compacted to maximum density, this rigid pavement delivers exceptional durability for roads, industrial yards, and heavy traffic zones. Invisible engineering beneath your wheels, but every long-lasting surface proves its power. This is LAMMI KK400, an advanced insulated concrete block engineered by Pavement in Finland for modern construction. It isn't a machine. It's a prefabricated thermal block with a rugged outer concrete shell and built-in graphite EPS insulation that simplifies building walls while boosting strength and performance. Designed to be stacked and cast on site, KK400 acts as both structural form and finished substrate, ready for plaster immediately after curing, cutting hours off traditional masonry work. Its innovative outer casing delivers exceptional impact resistance, load-bearing capacity, fire rating, and sound insulation for residential and industrial structures alike. With precise dimensions and rugged build, it speeds construction, improves energy performance, and survives demanding conditions from multi-story facades to underground walls. Invisible in the final structure, but every strong, efficient building proves its engineering power. This is BAMTEC, an advanced reinforcement technology developed by BAM AG in Switzerland that transforms how concrete slabs and walls are built. At its core, BAMTEC replaces traditional rebar with prefabricated reinforcement carpets, engineered with precision spacing and tailored bar diameters to match structural design. These reinforcement grids are produced with data-driven automation and rolled out on site, slicing installation time and labor by up to 80 to 90% while cutting material waste and cost. From industrial floors to foundations, BAMTEC gives builders a faster, cleaner, and more efficient way to reinforce concrete with higher quality and less risk of error. It's not just stronger steel, it's smarter engineering shaping the next generation of reinforced concrete. This is Rhino Carbon Fiber, CFRP, an ultra-strong structural reinforcement solution engineered by Rhino Carbon Fiber to redefine modern strengthening projects. CFRP stands for Carbon Fiber Reinforced Polymer, a composite of high-tensile carbon fibers fused in a lightweight resin matrix. Applied to concrete, steel, wood, or masonry, these carbon fiber strips and fabrics unlock tensile strength far beyond steel while weighing a fraction as much, resisting corrosion, fatigue, and environmental degradation. Installed with precision adhesives and advanced surface prep, CFRP bonds to structures to increase load capacity, control cracks, and extend service life without adding bulk. From bridges and buildings to seismic retrofits and historic preservation, this material boosts performance where traditional reinforcements fail. Invisible once in place, but every strengthened structure proves its power. This is Geveko Banfill, a hot applied crack sealing solution engineered by Geveko Markings, a global leader in road marking and repair materials with nearly a century of expertise. Banfill is a flexible, high-adhesion strip designed to seal cracks, joints, and edges in asphalt surfaces before they widen and deteriorate. Applied with heat directly into damaged areas, it prevents water infiltration and erosion, stopping cracks from growing and extending pavement life. Its simple, high-traction material can be cut to fit and installed year-round with minimal tools, giving maintenance crews a fast, effective fix that slows road decay and reduces costly repairs. Invisible once in place, but every smoother, longer-lasting surface proves its engineering power. This is Clipstone Pro Panel, a large-format mortarless stone veneer solution engineered by Gem to redefine exterior cladding. It's a precast stone panel system built to mimic real masonry without mortar, cutting installation time and labor dramatically while delivering authentic stone aesthetics with discrete seams and true corners. Designed for both residential and commercial facades, Pro-Panel panels are mechanically fastened with patented clips that create a built-in drainage gap and allow walls to breathe, preventing moisture buildup and long-term decay. The large panels ship in mixed sizes for rapid coverage and seamless variation, letting crews work with everyday tools and no specialized skills. It installs in any season, cleans up quickly, and transforms ordinary walls into premium stone exteriors with unrivaled efficiency. You don't see the clips once installed, just the beauty and strength of stone on every surface. This is Flexium Roof Mortar, a high-performance sealing and repair solution engineered by Flexim GmbH and company KG for roofs that refuse to fail. It's a ready-to-use polymer mortar with extreme adhesion, designed to bond instantly to concrete, metal, tiles, and bitumen without primers or heat. Applied by trowel or brush, this advanced formulation fills cracks, seals joints, and reinforces seams against water, wind, and movement, creating a permanent, flexible surface that won't shrink, crack, or wash away. Built for all climates, it cures fast and stays elastic through heat, cold, and constant UV exposure, letting roofs breathe while they stay watertight. Easy to apply, engineered for performance. Every repaired roof proves its strength. This is Viacon UltraCore, a next-generation corrugated steel structure engineered by Viacon Group, a global leader in bridges, culverts, and infrastructure solutions. UltraCore isn't a machine, it's a buried, flexible steel structure with the world's deepest corrugation profile, designed to bear extreme loads while staying lightweight and easy to install. When soil and steel work together, UltraCore becomes a high-strength bridge. culvert, or underpass that spans wide distances, handles heavy traffic forces, and speeds construction with simple assembly and fewer resources. These structures deliver unmatched strength, durability, and cost efficiency in highways, railways, tunnels, and industrial projects, giving engineers a versatile alternative to traditional concrete. Invisible once buried, UltraCore proves its power in every long-lasting, heavy load crossing it supports. This is Azure Printed Homes, a revolutionary 3D printed housing technology engineered by a U.S. construction innovator to reshape how we build living space. Using proprietary robotic additive construction and recycled plastic polymers, Azure prints structural shells with precision in a controlled factory environment, slashing build time by up to 70% and cutting costs by roughly 30% compared to traditional methods. Every wall, floor, and roof is produced layer by layer with engineered material that resists weather and delivers energy efficiency, then delivered and assembled on site in days instead of months. From backyard studios and ADUs to full homes, this process turns waste into durable, customizable living space while tackling affordability and sustainability at scale. That was your deep dive into the world of next-level construction. From UltraCore structures to Azure printed homes, from CFRP reinforcements to rapid-setting roof mortars, every innovation you saw today proves that the future of building is here, and it's more powerful than ever. Don't forget to subscribe, hit like, and share with your friends to keep the exploration alive. This is Build Mystery.